Right, every time you upload a video to YouTube, would you like to let YouTube know what your video is about so it can categorize it? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in YouTube Studio. Please watch and enjoy. Go into YouTube Studio, go down the bottom left hand side and then go to Settings. Then it should load up this menu. Then you go to Upload Defaults. Then go to Advanced Settings. And in there you've got Category. You can select your category in there. Then click on Save. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos. If you like this content and want to learn more.